What's new in food?
So here we are at NAFEM 2019, the equipment show, where we're going to look to see automation, we're going to look to see what's happening with smaller kitchens, we're going to look to see what's happening with technology. This should be an exciting couple of days. I can't wait to see what the equipment industry is bringing to the food service industry. Carts and kiosks are huge right now. They have applications everywhere from commercial restaurants to college, university, and even K-12. Some of my favorites here in the show included this booth by Gallery. I'll take a look at those now. Cool technology. This is a tuk-tuk that has a beer vending for Peroni, so I can see application for this everywhere, including my hometown of Chicago.
Just like you're at a regular salad.
Exactly, yeah. It extends the order time a little bit, right? Because people are deciding.
So display cooking is huge right now. People want to see their food being prepared, and I found that Woodstone's doing a really great job of this. From their pizza ovens to their rotating barbecues, they've got some really great products to look at.
And being a little bit of a thicker plastic, it actually holds up better.
So fresh is really in right now. This machine from Franke is their bean to cup system. It does hot, it does cold, it's got customized displays and a really cool piece of technology. That's a great looking cup of coffee.
You just drop that into the nitro blending system.
From Hatco comes a traditional waffle maker, but just take a look at this. With each one, you can also do all of these different configurations for hot, kind of trendy new products, which makes it particularly awesome. Again, multifunctionality is big and getting bigger. Ovens that can cook and clean, do 100 different things. You see a lot of companies doing a great job of that, like ITW. They're a real leader out there in terms of both quality and trying to do what's best for the operator.
Because this is a different type of check presenter than I was just reminded.
So as you've seen in my What's New in Food series, robotics are big and getting bigger. Here's the latest bartending machine from Follett.
You guys found a comfortable place to sit?
One of the areas that's really taken off in food right now is catering, and some companies are really taking a look at this, like Rational, who developed a self-cooking center holding and everything you would need to serve a catered banquet of 500 people with a staff of 2. That's what I call value added.